I'm dreaming, or maybe
Hi,
caught
Daddy.
up in a dream.
Happy 10th anniversary. I remember when I was still young, I've been dreaming to have a wonderful and complete family. I've been asking God if when will be the time na maka-experience ko complete family nga ay mama and papa. And now, this is it. I've been praying and waiting for this day to come. Who would have thought nga sa akong pag-work sa airport will lead me to the man who will eventually answer my lifelong prayer. Who would have thought nga ang atong 2 weeks agreement 2 weeks nga so ayan right mo click budget ta mabot og 2 years.
Like I'm walking on the ceiling.
Nindot nga magsugod mo kinabuhi nga bag-o. Kanang naamoy kanang gipanggunitan nga ideal sa inyohang bag-o nga pamilya. Diyan day kamong tanan nga ni adinhi. Di gyud ta mo tuo og naay perfect nga family. Naay perfect nga kami niyoon. Pero mutuo ta nga naatay ideal family. Ideal couple, ideal children. Ug mauunta na'y gunitan ninyo sa pagsud ninyo sa kaminyoon.
Found me, darling, you found me. I could never break away. You're my secret, I'm gonna keep it. Forever I will stay. I want you to be, I want you to be, I want you to be my everyday.
Tambag ni sa mga urag o obispo ba. Bitaw naka-puyo nun mo mga almost 10 years. So nakaibaw na mo sa inyong mga ups and down, di ba? Daghan pang mga trials na mag-ian along the way. Kaibaw ko nga maka-survive mo na. At habang sa Ginoo, tanaw sang o, di ba kay smooth ang iyong dagan sa inyo. Kay sinaw kayo ang dagan. Kung naplano ninyo ang bungkisyos nga kasal, kay ba ko nga maplano ninyo ang inyong ugma.
Now you found me, darling, you found me. I could never break away. You're my secret, I'm gonna keep it. Forever I will stay. I want you to be my everyday.
Miganinya, did you come here of your own free will to bind yourself forever in the love and service of your husband?
Yes, Father.
Jande, did you come here of your own free will to bind yourself forever in the love and service of your wife?
Yes, Father.
Sure na. Are you both ready to raise as good Christians the children whom God will give you?
Yes, Father.
Suddenly I'm seeing everything so different.
Ano siya naman? Ano ba?
Every shade of green and blue, and it's all because of you. I'm seeing everything. You make me wanna celebrate, celebrate, celebrate.
Uy, dala na akong baby ti ay. Di na mo ko kaila, guwapa naman kay tanan. Okay, large mo. Oh, ang mura ni te. Oo, ni. Ganahan ako na lang. Anak ko ni man. Oh, ganahan.
is a song. I'm here.
Oh my God, kay kayo. Ay, dala na. Go.
Make me wanna
Cheers, Lil.
celebrate, celebrate.
So one time, nato nahita po nga gamay conflict, no? Gamay raman po nga conflict ni Dave ni Megan. Didool gid si Megan ako, no? Asa ka, abs. Abs, nga naman, Megs. Gigisi ni Dave akong dream board. Gigisi, now may dream board gigamba, o niya, gipanggisi, di ba, Megs? Oo, nilamar ka. Ang dream board ni Megan, gigisi ni Dave, okay? And then, daghan pa kayo nga mga storya. Gani ka ni si Dave, mananghit ni Megan usahay nga, Megs, pwede ba mato sa kuliap kay mag-talk sa mi? Kadiyot lang. Kunya ang kadiyot, mahimong kadugay. Kaya imbes nga buntag pa, mapta naghapon, gabi, sige nagstorya, ako pa'y makakusog away. No? Murag pag kita'y magkawayag ka na. Okay ra mo?
Wanna celebrate, 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 celebrate tonight. Celebrate tonight.
I thank the Lord for giving me the woman whom I pray to spend the rest of my life. 10 years ago, on this very date, you gave me your yes to try to be in a relationship with me. Who would have thought that on this very date also, we'll say our I do's? Langga, thank you sa tanan. Thank you for staying with me, bisan pa magitlog-itlog na lang ta sa una, tungaon pag yun. Thank you for loving and accepting me, bisan sa puton ko sahay. I promise to love you above all others and to value you in my life as a precious gift. I look forward to raising our family and building the relationship under the care and guidance of God.
He began to speak boldly in the synagogue. But when Priscilla and Aquila heard him, they took him aside and explained to him the way of God more accurately. After his arrival, he gave great assistance to those who had come to believe through grace. He vigorously refuted the Jews in public, establishing from the scriptures that the Christ is Jesus.
Mapasalamaton ko sa Ginoo nga hatag ang higayon kay mo kahigayunan nga tuman jud ang mga damong ko nga magminyo na nga dugay na nahong gipangando ug naglaom ko nga sa inyong kaminyoon kamo magbungahon buligan mo sa kitasan sa inyong mga pagpaningkamot ug labaw sa tanan ang gugma jud sa usa majud na maghari kanimo.
cannot be a smooth sailing one. We've gone through many rough days. As our prenup poem goes, ups and downs we battled through. And now we are entering another chapter of our lives. I can't wait to form a family with you, to raise our children and dogs, full of love and with God as the center of our family.
To the place where you and I were supposed to meet. The city owns the echo on, my thoughts are spinning on and on my head. It seems they lead me back to you.
Allow me to share briefly how I've been a witness of love of Megan and Dave. Okay. Dave and I have known each other since we were in the seminary. So pareho yung mga seminarista. Motto, graduate mo sa seminary, we supposedly proceed at UST. Yeah, pasado mi ni Dave. Yeah, si Dave nisod yun na sa UST. No? Kunya, dito sa UST, na-decide ko ni Dave nga, dilit yun siya para sa pagkapare nga bukasyon. Siguro, ado nang yung pangita ang kasing-kasing ni Dave, lahi nga pinitik sa kasing-kasing ni Dave, nga makita outside sa seminary. And then, ako, nag-business niya si Dave, nagtrabaho sa airport. To cut the long story short, dito sila nagkita ni Megan, no? Dito nakita ni Dave ang tubag tukma sa pitik sa iyang kasing-kasing, no? Sa dihang nakita niya ang kaanyag ug katahom ni Megan, di ba?
Thank you. Agtit.
Happy 10th anniversary. I gave you this bag since we both love to travel and I know we will travel a lot. I love you. See you later.
We just gotta let it go. So I'm coming home to
Babe, that ka, aga ka. Wow, good. What? Gang, hi gang. Happy 10th anniversary. Karoon na doon dalawa. Sure na lagi ka. Anyway, I hope you're happy with my gift. I know you've been wanting to have one since sa una pa. May this guitar symbolize this harmony sa next chapter sa tong life. Nabisan mo yabag panagsa pero ato gihapong kanikamutan nga ma-in tune balik char. Again, happy anniversary lang ga. See you later.
so many questions.
I treated her like she was my biological sister. Though there are moments wherein we fight, we don't take it by heart. Later on, we became friends again as if nothing happened. Wherever I go, she's always with me. And to say that she is my number one supporter is an understatement. She is my great confidant. After everything that happened, good or bad, we were still together nonetheless. In the same way, she treated me like I was her younger sister, and now treated my daughter as hers too. I am so glad for having her because I have someone to lean on. Thank you for the love and support. Let us stick together as we are true sisters. I love you and I always will. I promise to pray with you every day. I promise to celebrate with you all our achievements, big or small. I promise to take care of you bisan pag atretiso na ka. And I promise to cook food for you and our family. Thank you, YouTube. And I promise to stick with you no matter what. I love you and always remember, sa puton man ko nimo pwede ti kabayaan.
When we're together, the world comes alive. Every color shining so bright. The hope that we hold, the story unfolds. Together we find we'll get there one day at a time. Up in the clouds, reaching the stars from the ground. Lost in this.
I promise to stand beside you as your husband and as your friend in sickness and in health, in times of prosperity and decline, in peace and in turmoil, as long as we both shall live. Apethet na Barcelona, I love you infinitely.
When we're together, the world comes alive. Every color shining so bright. The hope that we hold, the story unfolds. Together we find. Here in the mystery of moments.
Jan Dave o Miga Ninya, why nasayop sa gitawag sa Ginoo. Gitawag mo ani nga kami niyoon, dili masayop ang Ginoo. O ang grasya sa Ginoo na ana, you do your part, you do your share.